Welcome back to Richly Small. In today's video, you will need to buckle up because we're diving into the world of luxury on wheels, the Brabus Big Boy 1200 motorhome. 2 weeks ago, Brabus unveiled this beast at their Signature Night 2024, announcing they're now taking orders for what can only be described as a rolling 5-star hotel. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Actros platform, the Big Boy 1200 is far from your ordinary truck. In fact, it's barely recognizable. Let's compare. Here's a standard 2024 Mercedes-Benz Actros. And here's the Brabus Big Boy 1200. Stunning, right? Matte black perfection, accented with LED headlamps, carbon fiber, and a bold Brabus radiator grille. Now let's talk size. Inside you've got around 330 square feet or 30 square meters of floor space, packed with luxury features that redefine road travel. In Brabus's own words, this motorhome is built to transform any destination into a 5-star experience. Let's start with a full exterior tour. From the front, you're greeted by the imposing Actros silhouette enhanced with photo-digital side mirrors, LED light bars, and sensors mounted at the top. The carbon radiator grille and Brabus logo replaced the traditional Mercedes star, adding a signature touch of luxury. The headlights, they pack a punch at 60 watts on high beam, while fog lamps and a silver Brabus logo on the front lip complete the look. On the right side, you'll notice the Big Boy's massive 12-meter, 39.4 feet length. Extendable slide-out pods, one of 2 on this side, can expand the interior space to a jaw-dropping width of 4.5 meters in the bedroom. The left side reveals more cutting-edge details. The galvanized steel frame, 4 hydraulic supports for automatic leveling, 22.5-inch black aluminum wheels, and triple-axle running gear scream stability and sophistication. Double-glazed windows with electronic sunshades, electronic stairs, and mosquito nets ensure you're ready for any environment, while a digital entry code adds a layer of James Bond-level security. It's heated by a Cabola KB40 hybrid diesel system with underfloor heating, a setup usually found on luxury yachts. For power, the motorhome features a generator capable of lighting up a small village and lithium batteries that could probably revive the moon. It's solar powered and includes 4G, 5G, WLAN, and even a Starlink satellite for staying connected anywhere. The cockpit boasts quilted leather masterpiece seats with precision stitching, and above it, an electrically lowering bed adds a touch of practicality. Move into the living area and you're surrounded by Brabus leather sofas, matching cushions, and carbon trim. Twin 43-inch smart TVs, a built-in PlayStation 5, and Paola Lenti chairs elevate the experience. Even the carpet, a Sarai masterpiece, whispers luxury. In the kitchen, Gaggenau induction hobs, an integrated extractor hood, an oven, a wine cooler, and a Quooker combi and cube for boiling or sparkling water redefine road cuisine. The bathroom rivals a high-end spa featuring a rain shower, carbon trim, and underfloor heating. The bedroom includes a double bed with an electric slatted frame, a 43-inch smart TV, and a writing desk for plotting your next adventure. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. With unmatched luxury, cutting-edge tech, and unstoppable performance, the Brabus Big Boy 1200 redefines what's possible on the road. Why settle for the ordinary when you can rule the road in a rolling palace? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please share this video with your friends.
Have you ever wondered, what is the ultimate fusion of adventure and luxury? It's a life without compromise, without limitation, a tapestry of endless views. There are no limits. And no matter where your journey may take you, you will always be home.